How you doing?
Pretty good, and you?
I'm doing good. I'm Rudy with MBI Water Solutions, and we're here with Edgar. He's head of maintenance over here in Baker Produce in Zillow, Washington. And we've had a P60 unit hooked up to his inline to his 3 water boilers, and we're going to have a little bit of a testimonial on what he's been experiencing. First of all, I'd like to ask you what was the problems you were having before we came here?
Well, the big problem we had before was the too much scale on the water heaters, too much calcium and like corrosion, and was really hard around the pipe. It looks like a concrete. Sometimes we had to use like a piece of metal to try to take that piece off.
Hammer it off.
Yeah, and it was really hard. It was completely hard. And then when we started to use that system, after 1 month, everything looked something was happening there, because you could take all the scale off with your hands. It looked really easy, and everything started to come down, and I got a surprise.
Yeah. Now, a quick question about that. When it was hard before, well, you were using chemicals at that time, weren't you? To try to descale on chemicals.
Yeah, and
it's still hard.
Yeah, and still hard. We were trying to use acid, and you guys came to the right time, and we started to use that system. I'm really happy with that, because we are using less chemicals, and we are doing less job, and everything's still going perfect. So
would you say that HydroFlow technology that we've used here, would you say that HydroFlow has helped you in your chlorine usage? Or?
Yeah, that thing it's helping me for now, like over 8 extra hours. The same chemicals we were using before, I am using the same thing, but I got 8 hours extra with that system. It's curious, but I don't know why that thing it's giving me
8 extra
hours.
So 8 extra free hours. You're
3 hours.
That you weren't getting
yeah,
before.
that one is 3 hours, and the time. So we are using less hours too with the cleanup guys too, and the boss is happy too, because we are using less time. And so the guys, last time we were cleaning the water heaters every couple of weeks. Now we are cleaning the water heaters every 3 or sometimes 4 weeks. So we don't have to clean the water heaters every couple of weeks. We can wait until 1 month, and everything is still the same.
So your maintenance time has been cut in half then?
Yeah, and yeah, that's perfect. So the boss is happy too, because he's saving money too.
Yeah, great.
So we don't have to spend too much money on the guys who are doing the cleanup.
And the propane probably the cost.
And the propane too, because last time we had to use more propane, because everything was covered with the scale. And now everything starts to come down, everything looks clean, so we had to use